I'm sorry for the technical glitch. So we were talking about transfer to general reserve. So we'll add up whatever is on the credit side. On the credit side we have only the net profits, that is rupees 5,50,000. Same 5,50,000 is also transferred on the debit side. Now out of this 5,50,000, we need to subtract all the amounts whatever is on the debit side. You have not written till now this amount. Transfer to general reserve, you are going to find this. So we'll subtract 1,96,000 and 50,000 only, and this whatever amount is there for transfer to general reserve, this will find. How to find? For this you need to make one working note, calculation of general reserve. So how to calculate? From rupees 5,50,000, that is the total on the credit side, we will subtract rupees 1,96,000 and 50,000 of commission. So this will give us rupees 3,04,000. Now this 3,04,000 is our DP. DP equals to 3,04,000, and we need to transfer 10% of DP to general reserve. So we'll find 10% of DP, that is 10 by 100 of rupees 3,04,000. So this gives us rupees 30,400. So this is the amount of transfer to the general reserve. So this 30,400 is written here in transfer to general reserve. Now this DP is wrong. The DP that we have got here, rupees 3,04,000, that is wrong, because we have also subtracted the amount of general reserve from there. So we need to find out the DP once more. So we'll do the same thing. From this 5,50,000 that we have written here, we will subtract all this amount. Now this time we will subtract 30,400 also. So after we subtract 30,400 also, we get 2,73,600 as our new DP. The new DP that we get is 2,73,600. Now the distribution of profit comes here. The distribution of profit is given in the question. The profits were to be distributed as follows. First, rupees 1 lakh in their profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. You can see here. Now first 1 lakh in profit sharing ratio. So check here distribution of profits. First 1 lakh in PSR, profit sharing ratio. X will get 1 lakh into 3 by 5, and Y will get 1 lakh into 2 by 5. 1 lakh into 3 by 5 is rupees 60,000, and 1 lakh into 2 by 5 is rupees 40,000. So this is already provided for X and Y. Now what is the amount of profit left? The divisible profit is 2,73,600. From there we have already deducted 1 lakh for distribution to X and Y. Now we are left with rupees 1,73,600. 273,600 minus 1 lakh will give us 173,600. Now this 173,600 is to be distributed equally. So when we distribute 173,600 between X and Y equally, it gives us 173,600 into half, and into half for X and Y. So it will give us 86,800 and 86,800. So how to write this? You check here. In X and Y you will write, first of all 1 lakh was distributed in the PSR, so 60 and 40 plus equally 86,800 and 86,800. This will give us 1,46,800 and 1,26,800. This both adds up to 273,600. So this was the DP, and in this manner we have completed the PL appropriation part. And partners capital is same. Balance BD 5 lakh will be written for X and Y. Interest and capital whatever is given in PL appro 50,000, 50,000. Salary 60 and 36. Commission 50,000 for Y. And the DP, this amount 146,800 and 126,800 will be transferred here. Notable thing is, transfer to general reserve will not come in partners capital account. Since the transfer is made to general reserve, it will go to the general reserve account. It will not be appearing on the partners capital. On the debit side, neither we have drawings nor the interest and drawings, so it has not appeared here, and directly you will get the balance sheet. So the things to note in this question was, first of all, transfer to general reserve, and the distribution of profits when there is more than one criteria of distribution. We don't need to distribute in the profit sharing ratio only. We also have some other criteria of distribution of profits. So in this manner we have completed our sum. I'm showing you once again. You can check this sum. Now once you have checked this sum, I will post one more question in your group that you need to solve and send it to me as soon as possible, and we'll close this topic by today. From the next video you will be getting on the new topic. So if you have any queries regarding this topic or any other topic, you can text me personally on WhatsApp, or you can call me. Till then, thank you very much and bye.